If you've ever wanted to speed up your video editing process with CapCut, or just keep a consistent style across all your projects, then today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to create your very own editing template in CapCut, something you can reuse and duplicate anytime you start a new video, saving you loads of time and hassle. By the end of this video, you'll have a flexible template ready to go for your next CapCut creations. Let's dive right in. The first method is perfect if you want to establish a consistent visual and editing style for your future videos. Start by opening up CapCut. At the home screen, look for the big plus Create Project button. This is your gateway to starting fresh. Click that and you'll be dropped right into a new blank timeline. This is your creative playground, so take a moment to get comfortable with the workspace if you're new. Next up, importing your media. CapCut makes this super easy. Simply drag and drop your favorite video clips, images, or audio files directly into the project window. You can also use the import buttons if you prefer, but I find drag and drop to be really intuitive, almost like laying out snapshots on a desk. At this stage, don't worry too much about having the perfect clips. You're mainly setting up a structure that you can swap out later. Now, for the most important part, actually editing your template. This is where you want to lay down all the elements that give your videos their signature look. For example, if you always use a certain style of text intro, go ahead and add that in. Toss in your favorite stickers, effects, transitions, and background music, anything that sets the tone of your channel or project. Adjust the timing, position, and styling as needed. Think of this step like assembling the skeleton of your video, ready to be filled in with new content down the road. A few quick tips here. If you're unsure about what style to choose, look at some of your previous videos or check what's trending in your niche for inspiration. Remember, a template is like the blueprint for your editing workflow. You want the elements to be flexible enough for different projects, but still, enough to keep things recognizable. Don't worry if you need to tweak things as you go, that's part of the creative process. Once you're happy with your template setup, it's time to save your work. In CapCut, saving is pretty straightforward, but here's the key. Instead of exporting the video, just return to the homepage using the menu and back to Homepage Options. CapCut auto-saves your project, so at this point your template is securely stored. You'll see it listed among your projects. The beauty here, whenever you start a new video, you just duplicate this template project, replace the media with your new clips, and your editing foundation is already in place. It really is that simple. Give yourself a pat on the back. Your first reusable CapCut template is ready. This will save you precious minutes every time you start a project and help you keep your style and branding consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need tips for customizing your template even further. And if you want more practical guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy editing.